If you're looking for a way to install IPA files on your iPhone or iPad without a computer, you're in the right place. But don't worry, we've got a new working method using Esign. Let's get started. First, you'll need to download the latest version of the Esign app. Open Safari browser, then go to Coinvin website. As you can see, there is new certificate added in this website, that is Vietnam Electricity. First, you need to install the DNS anti-revoke. Click this button to install the DNS. Wait a few moments, then click Allow. To install the profile, go to Settings, then hit Profile Downloaded. Input the passcode, then click Install. Go back to your home screen, then click Coinvin icon. Scroll down, click Esign Vietnam Electricity Certificate. Then click Install. If you see Untrusted Developer, you need to verify it by going to Settings, General, VPN and Device Management. Then click Trust, Allow and Restart. Your device will reboot a few moments. After restarted, you can now open the Esign app. On this section, you have to import certificate Vietnam Electricity into Esign app. Go back to the website, find Download Esign Certificate. Hit the button to download the certificate. Then click Open in Esign button. You will redirect to Esign app. After that, click the certificate, then select Unzip. Open the folder, select the Vietnam Electricity file, then click Import. Certificate has been imported. Now you are ready to install any IPA files using Esign. After that, click 3 dot on the right corner, then click Import. Then find the IPA files that want to install. If you don't have IPA files, you can find it on Google. After imported, go to Tab Apps. Hit the icon of the app, then click Signature. Click Install. The IPA files will automatically install to your device. Now, you can install any IPA files on your iPhone or iPad without computer and without limit. So that's it, super easy, right? You can now install IPA files without needing a computer. No more cables, no more iTunes. Just your iPhone, a browser, and Esign. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you in the next one.